Hi everyone, in my last video I told you some early signs of low blood pressure and gave you some tips on how to manage it. There are many causes of low blood pressure such as dehydration, certain medications and even anemia. And here I will discuss lifestyle changes that we can adopt to manage low blood pressure. The first step that you can do is to make sure you are drinking enough fluids. Drinking plenty of water and other non-alcoholic drinks can help keep your body hydrated and your blood pressure in check. You should also be sure to get enough rest. Make sure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Getting enough sleep can help reduce your stress, which can have a positive effect on your blood pressure. Eating a healthy and balanced diet is another factor that will help to manage low blood pressure. Try to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And finally, exercise is very important. So regular exercise can help improve your blood pressure. Try to do exercise for at least 30 minutes and 5 days a week. It can be like walk, jogging, or some moderate exercises.